In the world of beauty and grace, pageantry stands out as a celebration of intelligence, talent, and resilience. The journey to becoming a beauty queen is often long, filled with challenges, personal growth, and moments that shape a contestant's life forever. As Kenya gears up to make its mark on the global stage at Miss Universe 2024, all eyes are on Irene Ngiendo Muki, a young woman who embodies the essence of what it means to be a modern Kenyan queen. At 26, Irene is more than just a beauty queen. She is a software engineer, philanthropist, fitness enthusiast, and a passionate advocate for social change. Her journey to the Miss Universe Kenya 2024 crown is a story of determination, resilience, and the pursuit of excellence. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more updates and inspiring stories. Your support means the world to us. On 16 August 2024, the prestigious Argyle Grand Hotel in Nairobi played host to the much-anticipated Miss Universe Kenya 2024 pageant. After a 2-year hiatus, Kenya returned to the Miss Universe stage with a bang, crowning Irene Ngiendo Muki as the new Miss Universe Kenya. Irene, who stood out among 15 other finalists, was recognized for her poise, intelligence, and unwavering commitment to her goals. The event was graced by the reigning Miss Universe, Shanice Palacios from Nicaragua, who added a touch of international glamour to the occasion. Irene's journey to the crown was not her first experience with pageantry. In 2020, she represented Kenya at Miss Grand International in Bangkok, Thailand, where she placed in the top 20. Her experience on the international stage, combined with her academic background as a mathematics and computer science student at Jomo Kenyatta University of Agriculture and Technology, made her a formidable contender for the Miss Universe Kenya title. Beyond her achievements in pageantry, Irene is a woman with a mission. She is the founder of the Mansion Dance Studio, a platform that offers ballet and general dance classes to children and young adults. Through this initiative, she has provided a space for young people to express themselves, build confidence, and pursue their passion for dance. Irene is also deeply committed to philanthropy. She serves as a Goodwill Ambassador for Makaya Hub, a non-profit organization focused on safe motherhood in marginalized communities across Kenya and Africa. The organization's vision is to ensure that every pregnancy is wanted, every birth is celebrated, and every life is accounted for. Irene's involvement with Makaya Hub highlights her dedication to making a tangible impact in her community. Irene's journey has not been without its challenges. As Miss Grand Kenya 2020, she reigned during a time when the world was grappling with the COVID-19 pandemic. The pandemic forced many events to go virtual, limiting audience attendance and altering the way pageants were conducted. Despite these obstacles, Irene remained focused on her mission, using her platform to educate and inspire others. Reflecting on her reign during the pandemic, Irene shared, "I faced the challenge of anxiety like everyone else. Uncertainty can bring about anxiety, but I held on to what remains true, my duty to serve and lead. Even if that meant doing so from home, it didn't make it any less meaningful." Her ability to adapt and thrive during such challenging times speaks volumes about her resilience and leadership qualities. Irene has consistently demonstrated that she is not just a beauty queen, but a leader with a genuine heart for the people. Kenya has a rich history in the Miss Universe pageant, dating back to its debut in 1987. While the country has yet to win the Miss Universe crown, it has come close on several occasions. The highest placement was in 2016 when Mary Esther were made it to the top 6, a moment that remains a source of pride for the nation. Irene is well aware of the legacy she carries as she prepares to represent Kenya at Miss Universe 2024 in Mexico. She is determined to build on the success of her predecessors and bring home the crown that has eluded Kenya for so long. Pageantry has evolved over the years from being merely a celebration of beauty to becoming a platform for advocacy and social change. For Irene, pageantry is a means to amplify her voice and champion causes that are close to her heart. She believes that pageants provide a unique opportunity for young women to be heard and to participate in positive social change. In a previous interview, Irene explained her motivation for participating in pageants. Pageantry allows one to dive deep into a journey of self-discovery and awareness. It challenges you to know who you are and what you stand for before you can confidently speak to thousands of people. I would personally encourage everyone to try out a pageant if they are looking to understand their purpose and break free from a small mindset. Irene's perspective on pageantry reflects a growing trend among modern beauty queens who use their platforms to advocate for important social issues. Her commitment to authenticity and her belief in the power of representation make her a role model for young African girls who aspire to achieve their dreams. As Irene prepares to compete at Miss Universe 2024 in Mexico, she is fully aware of the immense responsibility that comes with representing Kenya on the global stage. The Miss Universe pageant is one of the most prestigious beauty competitions in the world, attracting over 90 contestants from different countries. The competition is fierce and the stakes are high. However, Irene is no stranger to international pageantry. Her experience at Miss Grand International 2020 has equipped her with the skills and confidence needed to excel on the global stage. She is strong, powerful, determined, and focused on her goals, qualities that make her one of the strongest contenders for the Miss Universe 2024 title. Irene's journey in pageantry is far from over. She has expressed her intention to continue participating in pageants and using her platform to advocate for social change. "I'm definitely not done with pageantry yet. I really believe in the platform it provides," she said. "Watch out for me in other pageants as well, and make sure you support me. I am also going to keep up with projects that contribute to the development of Africa because I cannot unlearn and unsee the things that have grown in my heart this year." Her vision for the future is clear: to continue making a positive impact in her community and to inspire the next generation of leaders. Irene's journey is a testament to the power of determination, resilience, and the belief that one person can make a difference. As we look forward to the Miss Universe 2024 pageant, let us rally behind Irene Ng'endo Muki as she represents Kenya on the global stage. Her journey is a source of inspiration for many, and her dedication to social change is a reminder that beauty is not just skin deep. It is about the impact we make in the world and the legacy we leave behind. To stay updated on Irene's journey and to support her in the upcoming Miss Universe pageant, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos and updates. Let us come together as a nation to cheer on our queen as she embarks on this incredible journey. Congratulations, Irene! The world is watching, and we are all rooting for you. Irene Ng'endo Muki's story is one of hope, resilience, and the pursuit of excellence. As she prepares to represent Kenya at Miss Universe 2024, she carries with her the dreams and aspirations of an entire nation. Her journey reminds us that pageantry is more than just a celebration of beauty; it is a platform for advocacy, leadership, and social change. Let us continue to support Irene as she embarks on this journey, and may her story inspire us all to pursue our dreams with determination and grace.